Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the Adobe tutorial. Today I'm gonna create a black orange combination in Lightroom. So let's get started the tutorial. First open Lightroom, open and import your image. Click on the here and import. Check all and import your catalog. Click on this, go to develop and start. Go to basics, increase the exposure like 30 something around 40 and contrast 37 30 35 and highlight minus 70 something 75 80 and shadow plus 30 white plus 17 and black minus 45 and clarity plus 6 ds plus 40 not 40 ds 20 is enough and vibrance minus 25 saturation plus 14. Okay, go to the curve and select the red color and little bit shift into the right and go to the blue and shift this one also and go to the green on this one also. Okay, now we'll go to the HSL color and select red minus 26 red and saturation plus 22 20 something around and luminance minus 15 go to the orange color hue 26 minus and saturation minus 10 luminance plus 8 or 10 go to the yellow color hue minus 100 saturation minus 75 70 something around and luminance 0 go to the green color minus 45 minus 50 something around green color hue and minus 100 saturation and luminance minus 10 or 12 14. Okay, go to the aqua color saturation minus 100 go to the blue color minus 100 go to the purple color minus 100 and go to the magenta color minus 100. Okay, close this and go to the effect and decrease the amount and midpoint something like 25. Close this, go to detail, sharpening must be 10, luminance plus 15, contrast plus 10, color plus 15 and go to the split toning, increase the hue 22 something around and saturation 6 something like. Go to the shadow something 22 and saturation should be 15 or 16 18 I think it is looking very nice. I go to the basics and click on this and select the vintage, and you can increase the little bit, like close this and check out the comparison. This one is before and this one is after, and you can apply the same setting on your other photos, like copy from here, copy and apply on this, paste it and paste it and paste it and paste it. After that you can click here, like you can decrease the contrast, so you can do easily. So I think I'm done, and I'll see you in the next one. So until the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our video, and take care. Bye.